hope you're ready to hit the trail because this is 31 feet, 2 inches of whatever you want it to be. Hi, it's Steve, and this is the 2026 Outlaw 29T. It's a Class C toy hauler with a garage, meaning you can bring along whatever it is you want. Large split bath, fully equipped kitchen, Murphy bed, that over the cab bunk, and it is so easy to use whether or not you have the slide in or out, and that's what we're gonna do first, is get this 29T set up. We just pulled in, we are ready to hit the trails. We wanna put down our one-touch leveling jacks right from here. The ignition needs to be on. Auto or manual, get your 29T all leveled out. But here's what's fantastic about this floor plan. Our slide wall is in, so if you are at just a smaller section of maybe bike trails or dirt bike trails and you cannot put your slide out, you have plenty of room to access this midship bath, to get in and out of that 12-volt fridge, make something to eat for lunch, sit on the sofa. But let's get this wall out so we can open up and take a tour of our 29T. So the engine is on, the parking brake is set. Touch and go control makes this so easy. So from the main screen here or from the mobile app on your phone, all you have to do, extend. Out goes our slide. So from this screen here, check your propane tank, your fresh water, your black water, your gray tank. You can turn on the tank heaters, you can turn on the water pump, even emergency start from here. We're gonna let this go out and then we're gonna walk you through the auto gen start settings, because while you're out on the trail, you're gonna wanna have that AC running. So you're gonna wanna fire up that 4,000 watt generator, runs off gas, runs off propane, and you can dial in all of the auto gen start settings from here. Just slide to enable. There's also a button on the door we'll show you as we head out. You can start and stop it from here, and then you are going to set your triggers if you want it to run off the temperature while you're gone, so it's not running the entire time while you're away. Run it however it works for you. It's your 29T. While we're up here, let's just go through the rest of this infotainment center because it has everything you need. Your radio is right there, and you slide through the touch screen. I love the touch screen, so nice. Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you're going to plug in right here to connect those. You can pull up your backup camera at any point just by pressing that button, or you can pull it up from the steering wheel controls. Right here on the right, there's a little camera button. You press that and that will pull up not only the backup camera, it will pull up your side view cameras. Those will also go on when you turn on your directional, and then volume controls here as well as your Bluetooth. Over here on the left side, the top button, going to take you through maintenance reminders, trip meters, that type of settings there. And then down below our cruise control, we have heated remote mirrors on this, auto headlights, HVAC. You have a couple of charging ports here, traction control, nice inverted plug as well. So if you need to plug in a laptop or something, tons of storage up here, everything you need for a great drive. And then once you're set up, you turn off that mighty 7.3 liter V8, you swivel the seats around, and look at this. Look at all of this room. 84 inches of ceiling height up here, so you can move about just about anywhere you want. We're gonna start right here at our sofa. What I love about this sofa, and I think what you'll appreciate, is having these tables. So we have one set up here. There's also another one that goes right there. So if you're having a meal, or maybe you're doing some work, maybe you're just kicked back planning out your next day trip, and you're watching the TV. So you have your tablet here, the TV's on, you're gonna need to be connected to the internet. You can do that with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. So no matter where you are, maybe you wanna plan out your trip to the next ORC, you're connected, you can look it up, and you are good to go. You want these out of the way? Easy. Lift it up and check this out. This is really cool. They store right under here. So all you have to do is lift that up, and then you just tuck those away until the next time you need them. And now they're out of the way. Now you can just kick back, lounge, whatever you need. You're tired though, right? You need to sleep. Love having this. So there are 2 seatbelts here for the ride. So you're gonna have seatbelt for 4, sleeping for 3. You just move your cushions just like this. Undo this side. Undo this side. Put out your support bracket. Queen size Murphy bed. Great. Lots of natural light coming in here. Push button reading lights, 110 plug right there, 110 plug right here. Lots of storage up above. So a great option when you are out just hanging out. Now, the wall needs to be out for you to use the Murphy bed. And then when you're done and you want to put it away, you just reverse the process. Up, support, make sure your sheets are out of the way, lock it into place over there, lock it into place over there, and then you just put your cushions right back, and away you go. Another place to sleep? Yes. Over cab bunk, 800-pound capacity. So you're gonna have sleeping for 3 in your Outlaw. Net if you're traveling with little ones, or maybe you're just gonna catch a nap. Put the ladder right there, climb up, and check it out. Here we are. You have vents up here for the AC, 15,000 BTU, fully ducted AC, so no matter where you are inside your 29T, you're gonna have nice cool air. You even have a max air fan up here. There are cup holders. You have charging ports right here. So really just kind of a nice, easy getaway. If you want a quick nap wherever you are, this is the place to do it. Then when you're done, you just climb on down and then you can just store the ladder right back there in the closet. Let's move over to our kitchen. Nice two-tone look. This is a Hampton collection. Beautiful overlay, so it gives you a residential feel in here and a lot of storage throughout. So whether you have plates or using this as a pantry right there, large cabinet down below. So in the wastebasket here, at least right now, are the privacy curtains. So at night, you're just gonna take and there are little places there, you'll just put those up and then you'll black out the light. Even not a bad thing to do when you're out and the sun is just beating down, then it's going to keep the inside of your 29T cool. More storage down below. Flip up countertop extension. This is great, just rolls right up. So if you're washing something, you can just set that there to dry. Pull down sprayer right there. Over to our 3-burner gas cooktop. Looks like it has an oven. More storage for you right here. Convection microwave, all your cooking can be done right there. Awning style windows in here as well. So you saw when that Murphy bed was down just how much natural light was in here, but if you want a little ventilation, all you have to do is just open those. Those turn awning style, so when it goes out, even if it's raining, because you enjoy just riding in the mud, the rain will not come shooting through the window and then soak this beautiful countertop. 12-volt fridge right here, freezer up top, fridge down here, locks into place for the ride, so all your goodies will stay nice and secure. Over here, even more storage. Nice big drawer there, nice big drawer there, and inside hang whatever you want. Maybe it's your riding gear. I know you're looking at that and you're thinking, that looks like some vintage riding gear. I will tell you what, this is actually my old riding gear from the mid-90s, back when I used to put the miles on a VMAX. Oh yeah. And what was really cool, I'm gonna get off track real quick, but if you ride, if you know, you know. This predates any technology, kids. In my pants right here was a waterproof pouch, and this is where you would put your map or your triptych. Remember the triptychs from AAA? You put that in there and then you're riding and you look down and you can see where you're going. But riding gear has evolved, so have bikes, but if you've ever ridden a VMAX, oh boy, no breaking the speed barrier on that, huh? That was a sweet ride. Not as sweet as your Outlaw though, because on the VMAX, there was no bathroom. You had to stop with whatever that horrible range was. In here, you can use a bathroom anytime you want. Split bath, shower here, skylight right here. Look at that, shower on a wand. That's like right at face level here. So you can just close the curtain and away you go. And then as we climb out, our thermostat is right here. We're gonna have that AC on, keep us nice and cool. We're into the bathroom here. Nice toilet, plenty of storage down here. You have GFCI outlets, your sink, large medicine cabinets in here to store everything you need, all the extras. A fan up above. You also have a Suburban tankless water heater on here, so that's great. So when you're connected at camp, you're gonna have that endless hot water. Great safety features on board as well, such as scald protection. So if you are traveling with little ones, you don't have to worry about that water getting too hot. And if the system senses a fault, that gas will automatically shut off. Suburban tankless water, you're gonna appreciate having that on board your 29T. So everything you need to live inside or just take a break from those trails, you're going to find. Now to hit those trails, you're gonna need the toys. And that's what makes this 29T special, is the garage. So let's check it out. Check it out, your own garage. So space back here, 8 by 10. Capacity of the garage, 1,000 pounds. So you have a couple of, let's say, KLR 650s. Those are about 450, 460 wet, depending on your model. You can fit both of those back here, and you even have D-rings. Tie them down right there. They are nice and secure and ready to roll. Open the closet, pull out your gear, and hit the trail. When you come back, your own dedicated garage AC, 5,000 BTU. So it's gonna keep you nice and cold back here. Bluetooth Coach radio system, you have your speakers up here so you can listen to all your favorite jams. 12 volt, 110, USB-A, USB-C. So use this however you see fit. There's even a nice little vent back here to get a little ventilation back in here. Everything you need, including nice rack up there. So if you wanna hang some of your favorite gadgets, this is all set for you. Over here, roller blinds all the way around, so every window gonna have roller blinds for you. And when you want to get a little work done inside the garage or just relax, just pull these screen doors, let the breeze in, and keep the bugs out. And then we get out to, you ready for this? Whatever you want it to be. Right now, this is our ramp. 2,500 pound ramp capacity, but after everything is unloaded, you'll want to set it up as a patio, 1,800 pounds. You have your nice fenced in area, so you're gonna stay safe. It's bright, it's sunny. Girard awning right here, you can put that out with the touch of a button. You have a couple of lights out here, so it is the party patio at night. Whatever you want to use this for, have at it. And then when you are out at camp, here we go. So right now we're dry camping or boondocking. We're gonna turn on our generator in just a second, but if you are at a campsite, they have cable that would connect there. You'd plug your 30 amp shore power cord right into here. And this is our 4,000 watt generator. This is certified 50 states right there, runs off of propane, runs off of gas. You choose the fuel source. You can start it here. If you reach back in here, there is a pull handle. So if you want to pull start it, you can pull start it that way. You can also start it for Rapid Camp Plus. And then there is a lever buried in the corner here. And then you just switch it to choose your fuel source, whether you want it to run right off the tank or you want it to run off of the propane tank. And we'll show you where that is when we work our way up. Fuel goes here. You want to store your sewer hose in here, have at it. Exhaust for your Suburban tankless water heater there. City water connection is here. This is your tank flush. Under here, easy to use plumbing system. Just hook up your sewer hose. You have your termination handles. It couldn't be easier. Little storage bay right over here. All durable rotocast material, so it's not gonna mold, it's not gonna mildew, it's not gonna get base stank, especially when you are out. Maybe you're doing a little muddy trailing. Throw your wet gear in there. Really easy to clean out when you're done. Up here, another nice storage bay for you. We have the 30 amp shore power cord stored in there. It's detachable, store it wherever you want. Propane, that is going to be right here. You're gonna need that on for, depending on the fuel source of your generator, your heat, and your hot water. Nice blacked out mirrors, blacked out wheels, great looking Class C. This is an E450, that nice 7.3 liter Ford V8 under the hood. We get over to our campsite courtesy lights right here. So if it's dark and you're going to get in, you open the door, these will go on for you, give you a little light. Very, very nice. Inside our entry door, couple of things I want to point out for you here. Number of switches in here, your 12-volt battery disconnect switch. The switch for your awning is right up here. So you press the button, the awning will come out. It is so nice to have. A little shade out there. There's even some LED lights. So if you're getting back late at night, gonna have a nice night light for you. 1,000 watt inverter, 100 watts of solar on board, and then the little button down at the bottom, press the blue on the way out, and that will set the auto gen start. Just a nice way to make sure that it is all set. Want to point out a couple of things here. So chassis outfit by MORryde and Smooth Tech suspension. This all goes together. So as this is being built and we get this E450 chassis in, we are going to have Smooth Tech installed, and you're going to love having this upgraded leaf spring attachment on board, because what it is going to do, it is going to give you a smoother ride. You're going to have more travel in the leaf springs. You are going to have more travel in the axle. There is a nice piece of rubber in that absorbs all of the up and down motion. So it's going to result in a smoother ride. Unlike helper springs, that's going to give you a stiffer ride. Smooth Tech's the way to go. And on top of that, we also team up with the experts at MORryde to give us this nice foundation. So when we get this in, just some straight rails, and then we add all of the solid beams from wall to give you a nice solid structure. And then we build the house on top of that. This is all vacuum bonded and laminated sidewalls. We have block foam insulation going to keep your Outlaw nice and comfortable for you. And it is going to be a nice solid foundation even when you are on uneven terrain like this. Right down here, our exterior propane connection. Run a grill, run a griddle, whatever it is you need to run. Oh, you got dirty, greasy tools? Not a problem. Right here, exterior hose, so you can hose off whatever you need. Just make sure you fill up your fresh water tank right there. Now that our awning is out, we're gonna pull some camp chairs right out of this bay here. We're gonna set those up, and we are gonna watch our smart TV outside. This is on a swivel, so it pulls out. You can position it however you want. Nice Bluetooth soundbar down there. Maybe you'd rather listen to music. Have at it, whatever you enjoy while you're out and away. Right back here, another large bay for you to store whatever it is you need to take with you. So you have the garage, you have the storage bays, you have all the equipment needed inside for great adventures. Get out, hit the trail, and explore the world in your own 29T by building your own at thormotorcoach.com.